Hello everyone. For today's lesson, I'm going to discuss an example for differentiation. But before we begin, let us know about differentiation. So, what is differentiation? Differentiation is the process of finding the derivative or rate of change of a function. There are four types of differentiation: basic rule of differentiation, implicit, parametric, and the differentiation of exponential, logarithmic, and trigonometric functions. The advantages of differentiation is to find the rate of change of a quantity with respect to other, and the case finding a function is increasing or decreasing functions in a graph, also to find the maximum and minimum value of a curve. While in real life, it is used to calculate profit and loss in business using a graph, and to calculate amount of material used in a building, also to determine speed or distance. So the first question is, if y equals to e to the power of x ln 1 plus x, show that x plus 1 square, second derivative minus first derivative equals to x e to the power of x. To solve this question, we have to identify the method for the situations. So, first step is to examine which types of rules of differentiation that is proper to use in the situation. So, for the first differentiation, we are going to use strip product rule, where we have to determine the u and the v for this equation. For this case, e to the power of x is the u and ln 1 plus x is the v. By using the product rule, we know that dy over dx is equal to uv prime plus vu prime. So in order to find dy over dx for the equation, we have to substitute the value into the equation, where u equals to e to the power of x, v prime equals to 1 over 1 plus x, v equals to ln 1 plus x, and u prime equals to e to the power of x. Then solve the equation until it became e to the power of x over 1 plus x plus e to the power of x multiplied by ln 1 plus x. Since ln 1 plus x multiplied by e to the power of x is equals to y, so we write our final answer dy over dx equals to e to the power of x over 1 plus x plus y. We move on to the second part, where we have to find the second differentiation. So the first step is to determine the rule for the second differentiation. So how to solve? For this part, we are going to use the quotient rule. So how to solve? First, I'm going to divide into two sections, which are A and B. By referring to the rules of differentiation, we can identify that the A section can be solved using the quotient rule. As we look at the part B carefully, we know that part B is the same as y. Therefore, we will change the part B into y. Next, we are going to determine u and v, which are e to the power of x is the u and 1 plus x is the v. By using the quotient rule, we know that dy over dx is equal to v u prime minus uv prime over v squared. So, in order to solve this differentiate, we have to substitute the value into the equation, where u equals to e to the power of x, u prime equals to e to the power of x, v equals to 1 plus x, and v prime equals to 1. Then solve the equation until it becomes e to the power of x multiplied by x over 1 plus x squared plus e to the power of x over 1 plus x plus e to the power of x multiply ln 1 plus x. Now let us focus on the equation given. Show that x plus 1 square d square y over dx square minus dy over dx equals to x e to the power of x. By taking the left hand side, we can substitute the value of dy over dx and the second differentiation into the equation and compare with the left hand side. Now, after substitute the value, we can cancel out this and this, and we will get the same value as right hand side. Therefore, we have shown that left hand side is the same as right hand side. That's all. Thank you for watching.